슈팅 스타 퓨.
I've heard it 1,000 times before. Come with me, I'm what you've been looking for. I've heard it break over and over again. Their heart when I tell them I don't wanna be more than friends. I've heard nothing quite like this before. They say he's exactly what I've been looking for. I've heard about sightless dates, yeah, but something inside of me can't help but hesitate. Should I say no, or just take this slow? If I go to coffee at 5, there's no hiding in the middle of daylight. If I go, tell me who will I be looking in the eyes? Is he worth the fight? I stand here with thoughts in my hands, 113 reasons not to let him in. He takes them from me and says that I'll see, yeah, what it really feels like to be set free. So should I say no, or just take this slow? If I go to coffee at 5, there's no hiding in the middle of daylight. If I go, tell me who will I be looking in the eyes? Is he worth the fight? I know that it's now or it's never, but all that I have to give is a heart that's weathered. But he makes me think about what's deep, and I really think that's kinda neat, yeah, yeah. So I won't say no, let's just take this slow. and it's almost the middle of the night. Now I know just who I will be, looking in the eyes, and he's worth the fight. Yeah, yeah. He's worth the fight. Oh, yeah. He's worth the fight. Give you my whole heart for my whole for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose you.
Winter is freezing and trees start to bolt, and I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place, I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Swapping our cups, and after a while we're swapping a glance. And I can't think nothing better than starting a year with a drop of romance. 'Cause I came to this place looking for a familiar face, and that's when I met you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the first of the year. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but a stroke of luck, the guy just messed up and gave your cup to me. Dark cappuccino is what matters me, and the way you came toward me, dragging your feet, and I just smiled at you.
Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. The room is lit with candles and a fire in your eyes. We are lace and leather as I lay by your side. I know I want you here, I just don't know why. The only way I can survive. Coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Blow the candles out and think about my life. How did I get here? And where am I going? He's a beautiful man, but I know that I don't love him. The only way I can survive is coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Coffee every morning, whiskey every night. Stuck in this routine, but it doesn't feel like mine. makes a pain a pleasure when everything feels wrong. And I can only ask myself to be so strong. The only way I can survive is coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Coffee every morning and whiskey every night. Another day is here.